Roger Reynolds is asking for a new trial after being found guilty of a felony public corruption charge.
Chancellor Wynn joins us live in Hamilton with why Reynolds' attorney is asking for a new trial.
Yeah, Rob, Tricia, we are live here at the Butler County Administrative Center. The reason we're live here is because this is inside that building is where the county auditor's office is. But today, Roger Reynolds, the former county auditor, his attorney is asking for a new trial because they claim that the prosecution withheld thousands of pieces of evidence that would have contradicted their key witness, who was a Lakota's former accountant, their former treasurer. Now, one of these pieces of evidence is an email from a country club golf pro where the proposed addition to the golf course would have been made there. Now, the Butler County Sheriff's Office has interviewed 55 people for this case, and we have now obtained those recordings. And I want you to know that two of them include one with the golf pro and one with the, that time, county or the school district treasurer. I want you to pay attention to what these recordings have to say.
We had conversation with the possibility of having a joint academy where we would have a facility built at Four Bridges, and it would be shared access with Lakota, both Lakota East and Lakota West high school golf teams.
Okay. That is a recording of the Butler County Sheriff's Office interviewing Four Bridges Country Club golf pro Gene Powell, who was also the Lakota East girls golf coach for 2 years, while Roger Reynolds' daughter was on the team. Powell says the idea for the expansion of the golf course was his idea, and Reynolds only said there may be an opportunity for the Lakota School District to be involved.
He never made any promises or anything like that. He simply said, let's see if we can get the right people in the room together, because I think there's an opportunity.
The defense says Powell's statement contradicts the testimony of now retired Lakota Treasurer Jenny Logan, who was also questioned by the Butler County Sheriff's Office about Reynolds.
I did say to him, I'm worried for you, because, this is where you live, your daughter's on the golf team. This could really look like a conflict of interest here. And he said, oh, I'm not worried about that.
According to Special Prosecutor Brad Tamaro, Reynolds' conviction was related to a proposal he made to Logan suggesting that Lakota School District use public money from state funds his office returns to them and others annually to build the golf academy.
They would be running it. We'd build it. Mm-hmm. We'd have full access to it. But then at the same time, Four Bridges would be able to use that facility to do whatever kind of training they wanted to do.
Now, Reynolds' attorney says that the state has violated Reynolds' right to due process, and because of that, a new trial is necessary. But I do want you to remember that this is only 2 of the 55 recordings, and we are still combing through the hours and hours of the other 53 recordings. But you can head over to fox19now.com, because there is an in-depth article with statements from both the prosecution and from Reynolds' defense team, as well as more information on the emails by the golf pro. Reporting live in Hamilton, Chancellor Wynn, Fox 19 Now.